Hey everyone, I'm WYGO Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in the AIA Beauty Bundle, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I'm super excited. I kind of know, spoilers, but not really. I know who the brand is, which I forget, but I do remember, I know, I'm cray-cray. I do remember that it's makeup, or a line that carries mostly makeup. There may be some skincare. So, yay! If anyone's new to my channel, welcome. I'm 55 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. And if anyone isn't aware of what the AIA Beauty Bundle is about, it is a monthly beauty subscription which is curated by a different beauty brand or influencer. For example, in the past we've had boxes curated from MAC Cosmetics, ColourPop, Pure Lease, First Aid Beauty, Herbivore. You get the picture. And I wish I could remember who curated this month's box, but guess what? When I crack into it, we will figure that out. I'm spacing on how much this box is. I want to say $38 a month. I don't know, something will float on screen. All right, here's the box. It's quite full this month. And they do provide a card, spoiler alert, that comes with the prices as well as descriptions of the items. All right, so yes, now it's coming back to me. Old Lady Brain is real. The brand this month is LYS. Yes, I have received a few products from, I want to say Ipsy, possibly BoxyCharm, from this brand. All right, enough rambling. Let me grab the first item. What? Oh, for a second I thought it was going to be like a silicone, I don't know, something you stuff in your bra. It's a sponge. It just is very pointy. Ooh, that will be great to get into the corners of your eyes. How much does that bad boy cost? Holy cow. This little guy is $10. I took it out of the packaging because the crinkling was driving me crazy. It seems dense. I'm curious how much it will expand once you get it wet. All right, not too shabby of a first product. All right, next item. Whatever it is, it's very flat. Oh, what do we have here? Okay, so this is a sample of their Triple Fix Serum Foundation, and it comes with 5 shades from dark to, if that's what they call light, no. But, all right. I have a collection going of foundation samples. Leave me a comment down below if you'd be curious if I ever did a series of trying brands I've never tried before with only being able to use the little sample packs they give you. All right, I digress. Next item. All right, what do we have here? Interesting box. Those are little peekaboo holes that are in the box. What are you? This here is the Aim High Multi-Use Liquid Highlighter. I hope it's a good shade match. Oh, interesting. If you've ever received products from this brand, like a blush or a bronzer compact, they come triangular shaped. This bottle is also triangular shaped. Very interesting. The liquid highlighter retails for $19. I don't know if I want to do a swatch or not. This color here, which is very dark copper, I'm suspecting maybe what the shade is like. Fearless. I'm going to have to look that up online. And if it's light enough for me, at the end of the video, I'll insert a clip. All right, next item. All right, I am feeling that triangle shape. What product do we have here? Okay, so this is a Higher Standard, which is a satin matte cream blush. Ooh, too bad I'm wearing blush, although it's not showing up much on camera. Nobody says you can't add more, right? Yes, so this is what I'm familiar with their packaging, the triangle. Ooh, that's a beautiful, beautiful shade. Let's do a swatch. That's what it looks like on my finger. That's what it looks like just swatched, and that's what it looks like blended out. Let me blend for you. It is very creamy and almost feels like if you've ever gotten like a stick concealer, less balm-like and more creamy old school back in the day when they would call it rouge. You know what? Let's add a little to the face. Do I already have powder products on? Yes. Do I care? No. All right, that's really pretty. How much does that retail for? Oh my goodness, the cream blush retails for $16. That's very affordable. All right, if I like it, I may pick up another shade. All right, next item. All right, we have another triangle shaped package. This here is the Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Oil. Ooh, I hope it comes in that shade because that's my jam. The box is taped, which isn't truly safety sealed, but it is WYGO proof. Oh my goodness. 1 second. Adorable packaging again with the triangle shape. And it looks to be kind of peachy, but I bet it's going to be clear. Oh, it also seems to be safety sealed here, or else I'm just very, very weak. Or it's triangle. You can't twist it off. Lift. Oh, interesting. And it almost looks like a shark head. It's squeezy tube with one of those applicators, just plastic, and rub along your lips. I'm going to put some on my hand real quick in case there is a color. Nope. It's right there. It's probably going to mess up my lip look, but let's give it a try. Not sticky. Not the thickest, but a little thick. Not tingly. I think there is a very, like, barely there scent of, don't even ask me what, apricot maybe? Cocoa? Am I smelling my hand cream? I'm not sure. All right, what does this retail for? All right, the lip oil retails for $12. Next item, don't know what it is, but she's heavy. All right, so this here is the Think Bright Glow Hydration Serum. I love serums and I love to glow. So is it like a primer or just a skincare serum? Ooh, where you glow. Look how beautiful. This is glass. Again with the triangle theme. That is beautiful. Let me see what the card has to say. All right, so this retails for $28 and it says it's a vegan skin quenching face serum that leaves behind a succulent glow and long-lasting hydration. I hope this performs how they describe, because that is my dream product. I love a glow and I need the hydration. Let's do a little sample on the back of my hand and let's see how glowy it really is. Does not seem to have a scent. Feels nice. Do we got any glow going on? Yeah, there's a subtle glow. And the last item is very light, similar packaging. What do we have here? This is the Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. Everything is trending on the gripping. Again, triangle packaging. It's a primer, so I'm not going to squeeze it out and give it a try. It does come safety sealed. So did that liquid highlighter. By the way, the gripping primer retails for $20. All right, that was a lot of products. Let's recap everything that came in the box. We got a liquid highlighter, a super pointy sponge, a glossy lip treatment oil, a gripping serum primer, a sample of their serum foundation, a glow hydrating serum, and a cream blush. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, what a nice box. This brand is somewhat new to me. I own 1, possibly 2 products. So it's great to get more of their products. It wasn't they had foundation. Granted, it's only a sample, but I want to point out it does come in 35 shades. So if I do like the formula, hopefully there is a lighter shade than they provided. I love glowy skin and I love skincare. So this product I'm super excited about. I'm not going to lie, I am bummed that this highlighter is super dark. Not my jam. Super excited we got the cream blush. Beautiful shade. And with my mature dry skin, Cream blushes are the way to go. I'm lazy. Do I always use a primer? No, but I will be curious to give this a try. Who can't use a lip oil? And look how cute this sponge is, and I love how pointy and easy it is to get under the eye. By the way, it's probably not going to pick up on camera because it's in yellow, but they actually have their brand name there, LYS, because I can never remember where sponges come from, so that's helpful. All right, leave me your thoughts and comments down below. What do you think of the AIA Beauty Bundle? Do you think it's worth the price? What do you think of the brand LYS? Have you ever tried any of their products before? And which product, if any, that I unboxed, are you curious to try yourself? I love how this brand is super affordable. I mean, come on. A cream blush for $16? You can't beat that. And their packaging is so original. Triangle shaped 2B bottles. That is super cute. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.